I come to the garden alone while the dew is still on the roses, and the voice I hear falling on my ears, the Son of God discloses. Here I put the worm casting plus here, and Brian, you're gonna put mulch everywhere except right here because I have some okra seeds here. Go ahead. You can drop it, Brian. You can put a lot. You can sprinkle just a little bit right here. Let me take it, Brian. Just a little bit right there. But you can heavily mulch over there. Not where the plants are, okay?
Okay.
It's all around here. Okay, so this is my #1 raised garden bed, and right here I had the winter lettuce, so I'm going to add some more soil here where I pulled it up, and you can see that the greens are already getting much bigger. But I'm gonna take this little square right in here, I'm gonna pull these little greens out and eat them for microgreens. Bria and I will wash them. See what I'm pulling up, and then I'm gonna add some soil as well as some worm castings, and I'm gonna plant some little lettuce right in here. So now we're just gonna stir this up a little bit, and I just got a little soil left. I'm gonna turn this a little bit. It's so windy, but I'm gonna put lettuce here. And we're gonna remember, and I have this little soil left. It's all I have left of the season of that Vigoro potting mix. Stir it up real good so we can sprinkle some lettuce seeds. Okay? And this video will serve as a reminder where we put the lettuce seeds, but we'll know because we'll see them when it comes up. Okay, so now, before I put the lettuce seeds in here, let's get some worm castings. So this is the last of the worm castings. Put them in here. Make sure we get it all out, all of this goodness. And we're gonna stir it up. I believe in enriching the soil, not the plants. That's why I don't use chemical fertilizers. So there we go. Now let's just sprinkle some seeds. I'm gonna put a little bit more soil around the edges so I can grab that when I cover up the lettuce seeds. Okay? So Bria, why am I planting these seeds?
Because it's my favorite seeds.
What are they?
Butter crunch, lettuce.
Your favorite lettuce.
Oh, lettuce.
So I'm gonna just take some out because they're real tiny. I'm just gonna sprinkle them. I hope I can get some out here. There we go. See how tiny those seeds are? Can you get a close up? That's probably enough, but you know we're gonna lose some because of the wind. And we're just gonna sprinkle them. You got that? Sprinkle them all around there. We have a lot of lettuce growing inside of the house. It'll be too hot in Texas pretty soon. And then I'm gonna take the soil that I told you I put around the edges.
It's actually pretty hot out here.
It's not too hot, it's just windy. I think it's like about 77 degrees. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna pull a little bit more of this up. And I think I'll put a little bit more seeds right in here. Okay, that's it. It's Sunday afternoon. Come in closer, Bria. We did a patio makeover by adding an umbrella, changing the cushions, and come over here, Bria. We left the tomatoes where they were and the peppers, but we're getting ready for Bria's birthday party, and we moved all of the gardening stuff except for the peppers and the tomatoes over here. Let me go in closer so you can see. So we can have more room and everything will be closer together. Outside we have games. We're getting ready to get started. We moved the strawberry box over here.
The kids got spray painted.
Yeah. And my daughter spray painted all of the chairs except mine. The one by the prayer garden. Put that one over there, Bria. By the prayer garden. And then we have Centrola in those boxes by the prayer garden so that mosquitoes won't bite me. On the other side, sweetie, right over here. And yeah, it'll be easier to water all of these containers, the 25-gallon pots and the 15-gallon pots. What did you want to say, Bria?
I love it out here.
You love it out here?
Like a masterpiece.
Okay. And just give you a quick update on the garden. It looks really good. The Swiss chard is growing very well.
And that.
And that's the Swiss chard, that's Celebration, and that's Forward Hook. We just put some lettuce seeds here. Yesterday, I'm gonna go add some water right in here. And that's it. Can you pick up these shoes right here, Bria, and put them in the basket your mother designated for us to put our sandals in? And I love the paint color. She chose black to make everything all uniform. And I really like it. The only thing I thought when I ordered these cushions, actually I thought they were green. It turned out being teal, but they're okay. They're all right. Okay, so I hear people inside getting ready to come for the party.
Yes. Love has truly been good to me. Not even one sad day or minute have I had since you come my way. I hope you know I'd gladly go anywhere you take me. It's so amazing to be loved. I'd follow you to the moon and the sky above.
All right. Okay, this is so sweet. I love the cupcake Ferris wheel and then the mini cake for just me and Bria. Right, Bria?
Yeah!
I had to turn off the sound of this portion of the video for the sake of not getting a copyright infringement, which I absolutely forgot the first time I uploaded it. But my son-in-law was teaching Bria how to dance. I thought it was so cute, and I wanted to share it with you. First 2 peppers of the season. How exciting. Okay, so I'm not looking at this with my naked eye, guys. I have my glasses on. Out here. It's gone. You can't even see it now with your glasses on. It's totally black. It was like a free edge of the nail, like a little thin line. Now you can't see anything with these glasses on. I'm still trying to point toward the sun, but with my glasses on, I can't see anything. I'm gonna have to take them off. But I'm gonna just pan around here and let you see what it looks like out here. It's kind of weird. Very weird. Over there in the prayer garden, my solar lights are on. Isn't that pretty? That's my mama, my garden angel right there. Yeah, I'm not gonna look at it with the naked eye. They say you shouldn't do that. So I'm gonna cut this camera off of my cell phone and just relax. I didn't even bring a glass of water out here. Okay, while I'm at it, let me show you. I can hear neighbors all around me talking. But right here, you see this little flower here? Okay, the solar light came on from the security cameras. These are the marigolds that I found growing in the grass. Isn't that nice? Free seeds, free flowers, I should say, free seedlings. These will detract a lot of non-beneficial insects. The birds are chirping. At first they got real quiet. But anyway, I'm just sitting out here enjoying it. Wow, guys, it's amazing. Look, it's been like 2 minutes. And now the skies are clearing up, and I guess the sun will come back out. It's amazing. I'm gonna point my camera to the sun, but I'm not gonna look at it. Wow. Yeah, well, I kept my glasses on the whole time. And even, it's just amazing how people will try to scam people. They were selling these imitation Eclipse, guess what you call them, glasses at little convenience stores that weren't really legit. But these are, I got them, my daughter gave them to me. They were donated to her school and she had an extra pair. But anyway, people will hustle off of anything. And my son was telling me that he was seeing on the news where they had a countdown and they had people to travel all around the world to come to North Texas and other areas where they were going to see this solar eclipse. But it is kind of beautiful to experience it because the transition is really phenomenal. How the sky is brightening back up. And right up there in that window, you can see one of my grow lights, or two of my grow lights. Let me stand up. Let me go a little closer. That's my room up there where I have my hydroponic systems. And I usually don't have those grow lights on in the window when the sun is out. But on cloudy days and eclipse days like this, I had to turn them on. Well, it's been just a few minutes since the solar eclipse. I will say it was really phenomenal to watch it. It's just, the transition just happened so fast. I'm just going around showing you the patio, the tomato alley, and the pepper place, and then my lane of greens and everything. I put the cucumbers over there. I forgot to tell you that earlier in the video. My son-in-law and daughter moved it over there. And then right over here, everything is coming up really nicely. Just real quick. I don't have too much parsnip over here, so I'm gonna throw some more seeds out there, probably okra. And here are the market turnips. Some more beans that I planted the other day. Okra here. I'm doing a close-up so you can see. Nice sunny spot for the zinnias. They're gonna look so pretty soon. And then we have crookneck squash, okra, look like a few seeds coming up down there. And over here we have our beets, more flowers, more zinnias, more zinnias, more zinnias. We're gonna be harvesting beans pretty soon, 274 bush beans. Over here we have our Minnesota midget cantaloupe. We have patty pan squash right here. We have some centrola to keep the mosquitoes away from me while I'm sitting right over here. Let me go back out. And then there's my beautiful prayer garden. Everything's looking good. Be glad when the roses start. And here, I just want to show you. Right here, these are, I'm going to go back some. These are the dianthus I've moved from my home. And I just came in here and put a little worm castings in here and here. These are like 3 years old. The begonias are new. These pansies are new. This is the Bloomsdale spinach. It was just one seed from my hydroponic system. Isn't that nice? Those are weeds. Weeds right here. And then I have a morning glory right there. Morning glory back there, and a few weeds. I'll pull those out tomorrow. Put these in the compost. But yeah, everything is looking good. Sunflowers will be coming up real soon in these 2 containers. But that little eclipse, it's amazing. People came here to North Texas and other areas just to see it from all over the world. My son said he saw it on the news. His principal let him go home and another colleague that didn't have any students, because a lot of people kept their children out for the day. But anyway, guys, you know, I started all of this over here from seeds. You can do it too. This concludes this video. You guys know that I love you and God loves you too. And I hope that you will share this video on your social media platforms. Also, like it and subscribe if you haven't. I'm just an old lady, soon to be 70 years old, that loves to garden. And I'll be sharing my houseplants with you, as well as my hydroponic gardening inside. Take care, everybody. Bye now.